This is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today we are going to talk about how to remove watermark from an image. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the website I am going to talk about today is watermarkremover.io. This is the URL of the website. I am going to enter the URL of the website in the description so that it will be easy for you to use the website and find the URL. So let's get back to the point. So once you see this screen, you just need to scroll down and you will see this upload image CTA call to action button. You just need to click on it and upload the image from which you want to remove the watermark. So I'm just uploading an image right now, and just you need to just wait for a few seconds, and you can see it takes around 4 or 5 seconds just to process the image to remove the watermark. You can see the original version on the left side, and you can see the watermark removed version on the right side. You can clearly see the differences, and you can hover it and see the zoom in version just to make sure like it has been removed in a clean way or not. Once you do this verification, just click on the download image button, and you will be able to see the downloaded image in your download folder, and you can see this tool is really amazing, and there is no problem in using that tool, and the quality of the picture is still the same. So that's all about in this video, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and keep subscribing my channel, because I'm going to share more tools like this in future which are going to help you in your daily life and in your YouTube blogging journey. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.